What we have is the center line of a road, profile of a road. Essentially, this is the plan view, and you're cutting right down the center, and we're looking at it from the side to see how it transitions up and down. This bold line is the center line, what we call profile. There's also stationing, which is kind of an engineering, civil engineering way and surveyor's way of keeping track of where you are down the project. So what I need to find out is at station 30 plus 00, the elevation of a building pad, and I know that per city ordinance you have to have it 1 foot above the center line of the road. So Abigail, that's 1 foot.
Right.
Okay, so we're going to use an equation for this profile. The equation is y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, which in this case is 1.15%. X is your distance you're traveling from point A to point B, horizontal distance. B is your vertical distance. So we have a known elevation here at this station, so we're wanting to find this elevation right here on the building pad. So we'll start off with our plugging in our equation, our slope, which m is 1.15%. We don't work in percent, so we divide 1.15 by 100, so it's 0.0115. And then our distance, this station is 3645 minus 30, 3,000. So it's 645 feet we're traveling. And then, in this case, since we're going downhill, it's actually going to be minus b. It's actually plus or minus b. In this case, it'll be minus our vertical distance, minus our known vertical point, which is 1326.5. That is the elevation above sea level, where we're at this point. So, plugging in all of our numbers and then calculating them all, 645 times plus, or actually, that gives us 7.4 feet. These are 5 foot increments, so just to check, we're going from this point to roughly right here, and that's 5 and a little more, so it checks. So we'll save that number. We'll take 1326.5 and subtract off the 7 foot. So the elevation right here on this center line is 19.08 feet. So now we need to know the elevation of the building pad.
So you add 1.
You add 1 foot plus 1 foot to get our answer, which is 1320.08. So I know the elevation of that building pad is going to be 1320.08.
Cool.